Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This time around I'd like to give a brief update on the USD chart based on the price action that is being presented here. Yes, from yesterday I had 3 positions where 2 have been closed after 2 stop losses that were here were perched when this candle came. There was news, I think, and the price came up for this inefficiency, and as it was going for that inefficiency there, it purged the stop losses that were here. So now the bearishness continues. If you watched in the previous video, in the M30 I stated that there was some fair value gap here that could have supported the price up, but then I said the higher time frame is very bearish and all bullish support units are going to be violated. So as you can see, with the current price action that we have here, the bearishness continues, and from this point here I would like to open another position. I don't just open these positions, I strategically open these positions based on the model that I trade with. And another thing that I'd like to do is trail the stop loss from this point here to that point there, just to reduce the impact of the risk there should price quickly change direction, because I know that we have read for the news today. So with that in mind, it's better to be a little vigilant when it comes to the risk there. So as you for this stop loss here, I said I just don't place them because I believe that this one is the first pullback. I don't expect price to trade below it again. Just like what we have on the buy side curve here, you see that this was the first level of consolidation, and placing a stop loss here, the odds were a little bit lower for price to continue to the downside but then continue to the upside. So you see that this here, what happened here, is also what is happening here to me. So placing it there, the chances of it being purged are just slim. So I'd be expecting to see another kind of price action at around here, presenting level 2 consolidation here, just like here, but on the bearish side, and then continuing to the downside, purging the take profit that is here. So that is what I have for the USD. So I would like to open another position at around this area here. So I'm gonna switch to the lower time frames there. Let's go to the H1. So there was a break of market structure here, and price reached into this inefficiency there, and this in itself is the first pullback or first level of consolidation, and this one comes as the second, because there's some consolidation here. I'm also expecting price to continue to the downside, so I'm just gonna open another position from this point here, and I'm gonna strategically place it based on my model there for the TP and the stop losses there. So if you're following very well, for the stop loss, I'll start with the stop loss. Just like the way I've placed it above this high here, which is the first level of consolidation, I would also do the same with this minor trend that is here. That is, I'll have my stop loss placed above the high layer, that which is the first level of consolidation for the minor move from this point to that point there, and I'll be expecting more distribution to the lower side there. So for the TP there, for the take profit, I'll take the RR into account. So it's minus 435. So the low hanging fruit is here, but then with the RR I'd like it to make it 1 to 3 or 1 to 2. So there's this position here that I always tag. So placing it here would be a great idea in terms of the RR, at least because you just can't risk $4 for $5. I don't do that kind of math. So my take profit is going to be here instead of here, which is the very most low hanging fruit, but I'm gonna still hold it to this end here to make sure I maximize the risk there for the opportunity that I can gain. So that's what I have for the USD, and hopefully we might see it trade lower and lower from that point. So I don't know what the news will come with, but this is what I have for the USD chat. Thanks for your time and thanks for listening. I hope I will see you soon, later in the afternoon, when maybe there is more price action being presented, and if there is a change in decision for what I might get when it comes to the USD. Thank you.